How do Bixby have detected unusual activities on your account you're trying to access? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you see a message, we've detected unusual activity on your account you are trying to access when trying to log into your Google account, it means that the Google has detected something unusual for security purposes. And in the case if you're trying to log in, enter the email address or phone number that is linked to your Google account, and Google will guide you through the steps to verify your identity. This process may involve entering a verification code, sent to your recovery email or phone number associated with your account, answering security questions, or confirming previous passwords you've used. You can also use the Google Authenticator app or a backup code if you have, and alternatively, logging in from the device and location you have used before can help Google recognize your activity as legitimate. By following these simple steps, you should be able to regain access to your Google account and protect it from future unusual activity. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.